Have you ever wondered how to use your personal brand to attract clients and grow your business? Then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to inject your personal brand into everything that you do to not only help you stand out, but also help you grow your business and your personal brand. At the time of recording this, it is 2023, and your personal brand is more important nowadays than ever before, than in any decade leading up to this. And I am willing to bet your personal brand is going to be your greatest marketing asset this year and for every year beyond. Your personal brand is crucial to help you stand out from your competitors, attract your audience, and increase conversions across everything that you do. The great Alex Hormozi said that fame is the best marketing tool, and the foundation of fame is your personal brand. Stick around because I'm going to be sharing with you how to use your personal brand to grow your business. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my first video that I put up, which is all about building the foundations of your personal brand. So to begin, one of the major benefits of your personal brand is it helps you to create authenticity, it helps you to be consistent, and it helps you to connect on a deeper level with your prospects and with your clients. One of the major aspects of this is your personal brand story, which I've chatted about in my first video. So again, if you haven't checked that out, pause this video, come right back, I'll be here, but check out that video. But for the cliff notes, your story is what really connects with your audience and sees your personal brand as their guide that helps them to achieve what they want. So by having this personal brand story, you're able to connect with your audience and, more importantly, show them that by working with you, you can get them to where they want to go. And how you can really capitalize on this is sharing your story and your messaging consistently across all social media platforms, whether that be YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, which is pretty popular right now, and Facebook. You want to interweave this messaging into all your content so that when somebody sees your post, when they see your videos, they not only connect with you, but they think, oh, maybe I should work with this person because they can help me get to where I want to go. This brings me to my next point. You want to ensure that you are aligning your personal brand with the desires of your target audience. So fundamentally, you want to position yourself as the expert or as the thought leader within your niche. By doing that, by creating content consistently and by showing up consistently, your target audience, your prospects will begin to see you as a thought leader. They will follow you and they will begin to ingest your content, create that connection that ultimately drives them to taking action and working with you. So beyond content creation, which is clearly the main driver of connection and growth for your personal brand, some other ways that you can leverage your personal brand to create those connections is through networking. A big thing that I'm personally focusing on that a lot of my clients are crushing, maybe a bigger strategy, but attending events, whether that's in person, online, or ideally, if you're big enough, be speaking on stage at those events. So we already alluded to social media, but another way you can do this is through content marketing. A lot of times social media, I look at it through the lens of social, where you're interacting, commenting, having a conversation with your clients, but another way can be through content marketing, whether that is a newsletter, whether that's through YouTube, or even blogging, which is an older strategy, but something that still is very effective. But overall, you want to leverage your personal brand to position yourself as a thought leader, and that's done through creating content. One of the most important ways to inject your personal branding into all that you do is to use case studies and social proof. Now, for a lot of people, your personal brand is synonymous with your name, or in other words, your reputation. And your reputation is one of the biggest factors, one of the biggest benefits of your personal brand, because it's very hard to start over your reputation. It's very hard to build a new reputation. It's something that sticks with you. And in the world of ChatGPT, where anyone can create any information, we're going to see a rise of a lot of fake gurus. So how are people going to be able to trust you and truly see you as an authority figure when there's so much BS, there's so much content being pumped out into the marketplace? And the answer to that, if you haven't already caught on, is your personal brand. And more specifically, how do you show that your personal brand is authentic, is trustworthy? One of the main ways to do that is through case studies and social proof. So you want to be able to share case studies of how your clients have successfully achieved these results, or in other words, show your clients that by working with you, they too can achieve these results. Now, if you're just getting started, you can use yourself as that primary case study. or testimonial. But ideally, as you grow, as you work with more and more clients, you can use them as social proof to show that, hey, these clients, by working with me, they were in a similar position as you and they were able to achieve these results. So in other words, you want to use social proof to highlight the journey that your previous client went on, from where they started, the pain that they were in, to the destination that they were able to achieve. And the key here is you want to make sure that their previous starting point, that pain point, is the same pain point that your prospects are currently struggling with. And you also, on the other end of the spectrum, want to make sure that the results that your testimonial, that your previous client achieved, are the results that your prospects or your audience want to achieve. So in summary, actually, before I get to the summary, if you haven't already, I have a freebie for you, a free gift. Click the link below in the description. I'm going to give you my $1 Million Bundle completely free. If you haven't already downloaded it, it gives you the entire foundation for building a multiple 6-figure or even 7-figure personal brand online. So if you haven't already, click that link below. Now back to the summary. So in summary, you want to be able to inject your personal branding into all that you do. By using and leveraging your personal brand, you're able to stand out from the competition and ultimately attract more prospects. You can use your personal brand to inject your values that align with your prospect and ideal client audience. And you can use case studies that really builds that trust factor, builds your authenticity, and helps you connect and helps you be seen as a thought leader within your industry. So hey, if you like this video, it would mean the world to me if you hit that thumbs up button and you subscribed. If you are a coach or a personal brand looking to grow to multiple 6 figures and even 7 figures, then make sure you hit that follow button, because I'm going to be sharing more and more content around how to build a profitable personal brand online.